Welcome class 5 in your e-learning classes of EVS. As we are revising the first chapter, super senses, and we already have revised the sense of smelling, and now we are revising the sense of sight. In my last video we have discussed about the birds and what is their how they see the things around them, as we came to know that they often very often they just move their head, and they move their head oftenly. Why they do this? Just to see the things around of them, as their eyes are fixed, so without moving their neck portion they cannot see. So that's why they move their head. And the other examples we have already discussed. Now refer to page number 7. Questions are given here. We will discuss the answers and then I will give all the answers in your assignment section. First question is, now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open, then close your one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? As we know, when we are opening our both eyes, as we can move our eyes side to side, so when we are opening both of our eyes means we are increasing and widening our area to see. So when we are both opening our both eyes, that means we can focus the things more sharply, and we can focus the things more better in compared to one eye. So that is the answer. When we are doing, and when we are catching a coin with our both open eyes, we can focus the coin very well in compared to the one open eye, so we can easily catch the coin. But when we are closing our one eye, that means we are, our focusing strength is being decreased. So this time maybe we will catch, but the concentration or the focus will not that much sharp. So it is easy to catch the coin with both the eyes open. Now the second question, imagine how it would be to have your eye in place of your ears. What would you be able to do which you cannot do now? So if our eyes are in place of our ear, so it will become in the both area, or the range of our vision will become increased, the area will become very wider. We can see all around us from left to right, as well as we can concentrate in whatever the objects in front of us. If we will see straight and the both eyes will look at the straight point, then we can see whatever the things in front of us. So it will become our eyesight will become more wider, or the vision of sight will become more wider in this case. Now the next, some birds like kites, eagle, vulture, they can see better than us, or their sense of seeing or their sight sense is more stronger than us. That is the reason even a person is eating a roti or anything on the ground, they can see from far away from that place or far away from that ground, and they sweep and they come easily and they can take that thing from us. So these birds can see things from a distance. How much distance? From how much distance they can see? They can view the things even from the 8 to 10 meters away from us. And sometimes eagles can see the things from 1 to 1.5 kilometer away from us. So their sight sense is so strong that they can visualize anything, they can see anything from a long distance of 1 to 1.5 kilometer. So their sight sense is very much stronger than us. Now you can guess from what distance can an eagle and in the sky can see a roti on the ground. So from the sky, or if the eagle is far away from us, 1 to 1.5 or 2 kilometers it is away from us, even then it can see the roti, or it can see anything on the ground. Their seeing sense is so much strong, and their eyes are actually, there are parts of lens, or you can say there are so many small lenses. They can focus the things very sharply in compared to us. So their sight sense is actually very strong. Now there is a thing, or there is a myth, that animals cannot see the colors, but it is actually not right. The animals can see the colors also, but their number of colors or their range of colors are limited, or you can say they can see only few kind of color. Here it is discussed. You see the pictures here given, few pictures are given here. So in a first scene we are seeing this is the, in this first picture all colors are very bright, and who is seeing, whose vision is like this, who can see all type of colors? Human being can see all colors, or bright colors, light colors. We can see all sorts of color or all kinds of color. Okay, the next picture, here you will see the birds can see bright colors. Okay, so the birds can see bright colors, not all the colors, but they can see all bright colors, and they attract from those colors for pollination and for dispersal of seed. They are being used. Sometimes they are attracted by these bright colors. Now see the third picture. This one is actually the picture or the colors, which colors a dog can see. Dog, here the pink color is not given here. That means the dog or dogs can see only few colors. They cannot see all kinds of color, or they are unable to see all colors. So here green is very prompt, but pink color is not here. That means dog cannot see the pink color, red color, but few colors, yellow color they can see, or they can sense the yellow color. But here it is given, the last picture, see, only black and white picture is given here. So that means insects or the some kind of animal who are nocturnal animal, or who awakes in the night, they can see only black and white color. They are unable to see all sorts of color or all the bright colors. As we know, human beings have two pigments in their eyes, which are capable of seeing black and white color as well as all colors or bright colors also. But animals who only awakes in the night, or nocturnal animals who do all sort of work in the night only, they don't have both type of pigments in their eyes, so they can see only black and white. Just like the owl. Owl can see only the black and white color, as well as few kind of insects are there. They also see only the black and white colors, not all colors. Okay. So it is believed that animals, they are awake in the daytime and they can see few of the colors. All animals cannot see all colors. Okay. They can see only few kinds of color. And which animal can see? The animals who awake in the daytime, they can see only few kinds of color. But the animals who awake in the night, they can see only black and white color. But we can see all sorts of color and all types of color. So that is the differences between the seeing capacity or the color, vision of the color of different animals. Next time we will, or in my next class, we will revise about the hearing sense or the sense of hearing, how the sharp in the animals and how they behave in different situations and in different kind of sounds or the sound vibrations. So in the next time we will discuss all that and we will revise. But all the answers I am giving in the e-portal. So you just go through it and do your homework in the homework section and write all the answers from the assignment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.